watching Fueled by the Outdoors, and today we're going to show you how to make a mock scrape or doctor up an existing scrape. So when you find a scrape that you want to doctor up, pay attention to where it is. A lot of times it's going to be on edge, like the edge of a field or edge of a thicket, edge of bedding, edge of food. So what we're going to do today is tell you what you need. So we've got some Urine Luck Dominant Buck scent, the PP, and then we've got these bladder pods. They've got little gel-like crystals that are injected with Dominant Buck urine. They break down over time with weather or deer working the scrape, so it constantly freshens it up. I think half a canister lasts about 3 weeks maybe. So the other things we're going to need, very important: rubber gloves, rubber boots, a good stick that will not break, a bottle cap, and a cotton ball. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a low-hanging branch to use as a licking branch, and we're going to clean it out and make our scrape. Remember, do not just dump the urine in an area. You want the fresh dirt smell in there as well. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to bury this cap a little bit. And this is where the rubber gloves come into play. So now we're going to take our Dominant Buck urine, and we're going to soak this cotton ball inside the bottle cap. That'll not only weigh it down, but keep pee, or urine or scent, whatever you like to call it, in this bottle cap so it won't dissipate, evaporate. It'll be there longer. Otherwise, it's only going to last 24 to 48 hours, and then, it's not going to seem like something's hitting it very often. You want to soak that thing pretty good. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to grab a stick like this that we haven't used to dig our scrape, and we're going to break it up into a few pieces. Let me close this real quick. We're going to break it up into a few pieces like that, and we're going to scatter them throughout the scrape, and we're going to soak those as well. This offers a natural way to keep this stuff from evaporating, dissipating, whatever you want to call it. So, lastly, we're going to take these scent crystals in the bladder pod, and we're going to dump them in the scrape. And again, these will break down over time due to freezing or getting hot or whatever, and the deer working the scrape. They will break open, and you will constantly have a freshened scrape. The one thing I have to say is, just like a corn pile, a food plot, anything, you have to use strategy. You can't just put a scrape anywhere and plan on getting lucky and winning the lottery and having a deer show up. You want to put it where he already is coming. Another thing I like to do, just to get the scent up and flowing, to get deer in there quicker maybe, they might be able to find it easier, I'll take some of this Dominant Buck urine and just put it along the licking branch here. That way you've got the scent sort of in a different wind pattern, thermal pattern, whatever you want to call it. It's at a different level, so it's going to carry differently and maybe get a deer to come in here a little easier. Do that, and you might have some luck this year. Good luck out there, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.